Number 1.
1996 Ford F-150, price $8,000, with 145,000 miles, equipped with a manual transmission and powered by the legendary 4.9-liter inline-six engine paired with a 5-speed gearbox, well known for its reliability and strong performance. The truck runs excellent, features cold air conditioning, and has a clean, well-maintained gray interior in mint condition. It wears red exterior paint that still presents nicely, with minor wear visible on the roof as shown in the photos. Recent maintenance includes a new clutch, fresh oil change, and a full tune-up, making it ready to drive. The rear has been lowered 3 inches and fitted with all new shocks. It currently sits on stock wheels with new Firestone tires, and a set of 20-inch forged wheels with new tires is also included. This gasoline-powered F-150 has been garage-kept during the current ownership and remains in very solid overall condition.
Number 2.
1990 Mazda B2600, price $8,000, well-preserved and dependable pickup truck that shows only 103,000 original miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving the truck a classic and timeless appearance. Powered by a gasoline engine, this B2600 runs smoothly and performs very well for its age. The truck has recently received a fresh paint job, which significantly enhances its overall look and presentation. It also comes with cold air conditioning, ensuring a comfortable driving experience in warm weather. In addition, the vehicle is fitted with new tires, providing improved ride quality and road safety. Overall, this Mazda B2600 runs like new and would make an excellent choice for someone looking for a reliable, classic compact pickup that is ready to drive and enjoy.
Number 3.
1989 Ford F-150, price $10,000. This truck features a reliable 5.0 LEFI V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain, running on gasoline. It is finished in a classic black exterior color with a well-maintained burgundy interior, giving it a timeless and clean appearance. The truck has recently undergone a restoration and presents very well, often receiving compliments wherever it is seen. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives excellent and is ready to be driven anywhere with confidence. The air conditioning blows cold, the heater works properly, and all driving functions operate as they should. Overall, this is a rare and desirable single-cab, short-bed F-150 in excellent condition, especially hard to find in black with a V8 engine.
Number 4.
1993 Toyota T100, price $10,000. It has traveled 160,000 miles and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and a 3.0L V6 gasoline engine. The truck features a white exterior paired with a blue interior and comes with a clean Carfax report in hand. It has been under the same ownership since new and has spent its entire life in Florida, resulting in a completely rust-free body. The vehicle is well maintained and recently received a full tune-up, including new spark plugs and wires, a new distributor cap and rotor, and a fresh oil change. It also sits on new tires and offers strong performance, with both the manual transmission and 4WD system operating smoothly. The air conditioning blows cold, and all power features are fully functional, including power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and cruise control.
Number 5. 1996 GMC 3500, price $7,000, equipped with a 6.5L diesel engine, a 4x4 drivetrain, and a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has 180,000 miles and is reported to run strong, with smooth driving performance overall. It features a crew cab layout that provides ample interior space, along with an 8-foot bed and a camper shell, making it well suited for work, towing, or extended travel. The exterior is finished in red, paired with a blue interior, and the truck runs on diesel fuel. It comes with cold air conditioning and has been upgraded with a touchscreen stereo and a compact audio system featuring 10-inch speakers. The truck is also equipped with towing mirrors for improved visibility and control while hauling. Recently, the fuel injectors were replaced, contributing to reliable operation. Additional updates include new headlights and taillights.
The dashboard does have cracking, which is a common and expected issue for trucks of this age, but it does not affect drivability.
Number 6.
1985 Toyota 4Runner, price $10,000, with 201,000 miles, equipped with an automatic transmission, finished in red exterior paint with a tan interior. It features the highly desirable original solid front axle and is powered by the reliable 22RE 4-cylinder engine. The vehicle is completely stock, original, and unmodified, making it a rare and unmolested example. The truck comes with a clear Florida title and the owner's name. There are a few known issues to note. The owner suspects a fuel pump or fuel line issue,
as the engine starts immediately when a small amount of starting fluid is used. The window has a crack, which has not affected drivability and can be repaired at the buyer's discretion. The buyer will need to bring their own battery, although the owner is still able to start the vehicle for inspection.
Number 7.
1997 Ford F250, price $5,000, equipped with the legendary 7.3 power-stroke diesel engine and an automatic transmission. The truck runs, drives, and stops, but it has been sitting for a little over a year and will need some general TLC. It will require new tires, as the current ones are worn out and not safe for road use. The transmission shifts rough at low RPMs, and the truck will need typical OBS maintenance items such as cab bushings and door hinge pins.
There is some visible rust, which can be seen in the video.
It currently has only one battery installed. The passenger side rear wheel is a steel wheel, but the matching Alcoa wheel is included and located in the bed, so all wheels are present.
Number 8.
1976 Ford F250, price $6,000, with approximately 124,000 miles on the odometer. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, featuring a brown exterior with a matching interior. The vehicle currently does not start and requires engine work. A full engine rebuild is suspected, although this has not been fully confirmed. Despite the engine condition, the truck has received several recent updates, including new brakes, a new battery, and a rebuilt carburetor. The frame and transmission are in excellent, mint condition, making it a solid foundation for a restoration or project build. The truck has a clean title, and the registration tags are current through 2026.
Number 9.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. This truck has 173,000 miles and is powered by a 4.3L V6 gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior with a matching red interior. The truck shows typical rust for its age and mileage. Most of the original owner's paperwork is included, along with receipts for recent maintenance. Patch panels for the cab corners and rocker panels are also included. Recent work includes refreshed suspension components, front-end alignment, fuel system repairs, and replacement of several engine and emissions parts such as sensors, ignition components, and EGR components. Overall, the truck has been well maintained with extensive documented service.
Number 10.
1996 Ford F150, price $3,750, equipped with a 5.0L gasoline engine, automatic transmission, and 4x4 drivetrain with automatic locking hubs. It features a white exterior paired with a blue interior. The truck has recently received many updates, including new 31-inch tires, new brakes, spark plugs, ignition coil, shocks, headlights, as well as a new radio and speakers, along with other maintenance items. While the air conditioning and heater are not currently working, all other systems function properly. The truck comes with a full-size matching spare tire and includes a Bronco spare tire carrier ready to be mounted on the rear.
It has a clean title and is registered in the owner's name.